Hello. Right. Um. Yeah, whatever. I'm just gonna not bother my um fucking avatar or not VTuber thing. It's 6 a.m. right now, and I'll explain why. It's because I couldn't sleep. So I went to sleep at 2. I have no idea if I slept or not. Some amount of time passed, and when I last checked the time, it was like 4 a.m. or something. So like maybe I slept 2 hours, or maybe I just like stared at the ceiling and like let time pass by without noticing too much. But yeah, I don't know. Basically, my body just felt a bit weird. I didn't really know what was happening. And I couldn't shake off that weirdness, so I just couldn't really sleep. And I just decided to just, well, have an early start to the day. And that's exactly what we're doing right now. I want to make breakfast, but the shops aren't open yet. I'm missing a few ingredients. Missing a few ingredients. So I'm just gonna like work on this for an hour until it hits 7 a.m. so that I can just do some shopping and make breakfast. Okay. So we were gonna do this cipher.go. Piggy.go. I don't really care about Piggy.go. Whatever. So yeah, we'll just rename it to Unit 2, because that's where we are at, right? Unit 2, Capstone, the Visionaire cipher. Right. Good. I'll just download this. I'll just download this. Where's the download button? Save. And I'll open it. Why do I have high? Oh, Haikyuu. Yeah, I used that clip for a video. It's confused why I had that there. I haven't actually watched Haikyuu. I'm planning to. It's on the list somewhere. My ever expanding list of media to consume, which is growing more than I can actually consume. Where the heck are we? Right, so let's just remind ourselves what this guy wants us to do. Write a program to decipher the ciphertext shown in table 11.2. To keep it simple, all characters are uppercase English letters for both the text and the keyword. Alright, so we're not ciphering something, we're deciphering something. So, to cipher something, we did minus the letter, right? So to decipher it, we just have to turn it into an addition. Yeah, just add letters instead of subtracting. Exactly. So, um, we can use the modulus, okay? So, alright, so this is a different task entirely. Alright, so let's just focus on the first one first. We have strings.repeat. What the heck does strings.repeat do? Ooh, okay. Ooh, there's a line separator. And this just prints this guy. To just do all of that. That's pretty cool. Okay. The thing, however, is that whatever. Okay. So it's the okay. Let's just start. All right. So this is we want to decipher something, right? So we'll have a ciphered text. And we'll have a keyword. Okay, let's just follow the convention. Ciphertext and keyword. Keyword Golang. And let's just copy all of this. Alright, so the first thing to do is to just repeat like Golang a certain number of times. Right, and then just cut it off basically where we want it to. So basically to determine how many times we want to repeat this keyword, we just have to take the length of this and divide it by the length of this, right? So let's just do a function repeat keyword and this will create a string. Okay, we have to put, so we have our ciphertext string, and then we have our keyword string as well. And if you want to repeat the string, we need the string package. We'll have to get the lengths of these. Does just len work? So we could have just test equals len ciphertext and then we could just try that, and then fmt dot print ln. We have to see another test. Do that, and we'll see if that like accurately prints the length. Do go run unit2.go. Package string is not in std. Huh. Strings with an S, okay. Oh, we have to do a return test. Oh, because, okay, yeah, because we want a length is an integer, so. Okay. $21. Cool. Is that right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21. But like there is like this issue, right? So if I put a question mark here, we would think that it would add by 1. I'm gonna change the song. I didn't expect there to be so much voice vocals, I mean, in Rei Harakami's works. But I guess this specific playlist included all of that. Usually he does more like instrumental stuff like this. Anyway, okay, so we have a question mark added. We would expect 22, but I think we're gonna get still 22, okay? What if we do that? Still 22? I thought the length function didn't really work with... Where did I... Okay. I thought len didn't really work because it does bytes instead of runes. Yeah, length of a string in bytes. Oh yeah, these two things. Well, it won't be a problem with like our code since we're just restricted to using capital English letters. But yeah, just sometimes bytes it just doesn't work because yeah, okay. Let's see. Okay, so okay. Len, not the best thing because it doesn't work for some characters, but it should suffice for now. Okay. So we'll just do len ciphertext. And then we'll get the length of the keyword. And then we want to get repeats. How many times to repeat? That should be ciphertext, len ciphertext divided by length of the keyword. Except this is gonna round down, and we want to like round it up by 1, so we're gonna add 1 here. Right. So now we want to repeat our string by that many times. With the strings.repeat function. So output is strings.repeat. So we put a string in here, which is our keyword, and we want to repeat it repeats number of times. And we want to return our output. And yeah, repeat keyword, whatever test there. And then this will be a string instead. So let's see. Cool. Right? Cool. Now the thing is, it's gonna overshoot. So if I do fmt.print ln and we do our ciphertext, it is going to overshoot. Right, and the amount it's going to overshoot by is just, we're just going to say overshoot. That'll be repeats minus len ciphertext. Actually, we can just simplify everything by doing like modulus stuff to get the remainder, right? But whatever. This is fine. So we get an overshoot, and we want to delete the overshoot. So we gotta figure out how to do that. The book didn't really tell us like how we can add or remove um, add or remove stuff. I should make it so it doesn't show like suggestions or search history or whatever, because that might be a bit spooky. There's nothing to hide, like, right now, I guess. Or nothing immediate. I guess this might be a bit, not good to show, but it's not a huge deal. Search suggestions. It's closed. So, show recent searches, nope. Okay, so let's test this out. Cool. It's still showing stuff. Like, I searched Tesco before because I wanted to figure out when it opened. Okay, I'm just gonna close the browser and try to... What? Dude, it got rid of everything? I thought open previous windows and tab on startup. I thought I had this on. It's just showing stuff from my bookmark right now. From my bookmarks. But that's annoying. Is it gonna sign me out of... No, it doesn't sign me out. Because sometimes it does that as well. Uh, okay. Please. Please. I want you to keep the tabs. Oh my god. It doesn't keep the tabs. Okay. The settings clearly work. It's just... this thing doesn't. Ooh, okay. Clear history settings. Changing clear history settings to not clear browsing. Clear history. Okay. So I think what's happening is LibreWolf just clears the history. So yeah, I basically have nothing. That's because it clears the history every time it closes. It's a very sort of privacy aware, privacy sensitive type of app. But sometimes it gets annoying. Like when you close, all the history is gone, so you can't search up stuff that maybe you want to revisit, and your tabs as well doesn't remember all of the tabs. So if you clear the history, so now this should work. Okay, cool. Because it was trying to open the previous windows and tabs, but it didn't have access to the history to be able to do that. And if you, so yeah, whatever. The history is stored locally. At least that's what I believe, or what I think, what I'd like to believe. So whatever. Anyways, let's just go back to YouTube. Sure. Are we still streaming? Yes, we are still streaming. Cool. Um, right. So, well, what we were about to do, um, is to ask AI how to um how to remove the last part of a string in Golang. Do we even need to do this? I don't. So trim suffix, last n characters. So this is what I want basically. Repeated keyword. So repeated keyword is this. We calculate the overshoot. No, that's not the overshoot is len repeated keyword. Actually, we can just do, since it's just not. Just avoids creating too many variables. And then we have our output, which is the string, which is the repeated keyword. and then minus overshoot. Right, so if we run this, we should have the same, the same string length between these two guys. Cool. So now the idea is I want something like a zip in something like zip in Golang. So zip is something from Haskell, which is pretty useful and cool. Basically takes two lists and just sort of mashes them together. Oh, so it does this automatically. Or wait, determine the length of the... Wait, how are we iterating through... Oh, okay. But what if we want something like... for range? So yeah, zip. Maybe. Maybe. Okay, yeah. So just do that. Get output. Okay, I think. Okay, so we just do a for loop, right? Count should be the length of the shorter one, and we know that ciphertext will always be shorter by construction. Alright, so let's just make sure that this sort of actually prints 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wait, that's a lot more than 10 times. Oh no, not 10 times. Ciphertext is 1, 2, 3. Okay, no. Let's do 5 and see if it prints 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So. Okay, that's good. Or maybe we should have this as its own function. The cipher. I'll just be like the exact same thing. Okay, so first it will be repeated keyword is repeat keyword, ciphertext and keyword. Ugh. Actually, no, no, no. Um, shit. Think, Wilson. Think. This is it. This is it. This should just be it. Fuck. Oh. Ah. Okay, whatever. No, var string should be outside. Oh my god. That is so not what I want. What the heck? The fuck am I looking at? Oh, it's the same thing. What the heck? That's not what's supposed to happen. Add letters. Oh my god. Add. Of course. Oh god. That is also not correct. Oh my god. Huh? That's exactly what I did. Why is this not working? I have no clue. No fucking clue. Okay, that's 71. And ciphertext is 67. Oh my god. Okay. So dumb. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. I got it. That'll be a bite. Okay, so func, um, Again, we'll have the library text, and we'll have a uint 8 keyword uint 8. So first we have to shift everything. Let's see. So we want weird, okay. So as it iterates, we get a okay. Okay, what is this A then? A is 65. So basically, I just want to shift everything by that amount. Wait a minute, we just have to add so just have to do that. Um, so, okay, I think it works now, but obviously we still haven't implemented the, the looping around thing yet, which I'm currently thinking about thinking what to do about it. Oh, we used to do, okay, where's the modulus explanation for the modulus? What? okay, okay. Wait. Ah, my head hurts so much. Ah, okay, okay. Okay. Right. There, right, this should work. This should work. What's the ciphertext? Hmm. That's gibberish. It's not supposed to be gibberish. Minus? Still gibberish. Unit 3. Alright, let's run this to see if we... We dig, you love to go first. That's not what I got. What? That's crazy, man. Okay, what did I do? I did C plus K. It's saying C minus K. Okay. So basically I just have to change this, don't I? So I did the minus minus thing correctly. Except why is this on a different index? Weird, okay. It did add 26, although I don't know what that does exactly. We know that A has the value 65, right? Or we could just do this to be sure, I guess. And then we can try this again, and maybe it'll work. Oh! Oh my god, I put the 0 in for keyword. That's so dumb. What happened? Oh my god, okay. So dumb. I'm so dumb. There we go. I don't think we need the plus 26. Wait, hold on. Yeah, we just do we just do C plus K. Nope. Okay. I guess I misunderstood everything, I guess. The C minus K. Wait, what? What does the plus 26 do? I'm confused. Man, I suck. Oh, oh, deciphering is minus and then ciphering is add. Okay. Okay, so that explains the minus part. And then we add 26 to get rid of the negative values. Oh my god. And adding 26 doesn't change the mod value. Ugh. But it is so dumb that it is so dumb that the modulus will give a negative number still. So dumb. UTF-8 decode rune in string. Oh, it just takes the first character? Huh. Okay. I think. Right. I guess that's it. Like, we are done. There is this one, which ciphers it, which is basically the same thing, so I'm not gonna bother doing it. But yeah. Okay. I guess that's it. I'll see you next time.